Welcome to Happy Face Travels. I am Diana, and in today's video I am going to show you 5 ways you can travel for free. Yes, so if you do not know what a scholarship is, let me just break it down real quick. For you to have a scholarship, especially a fully funded scholarship, you have to apply. And once you are picked amongst the many people that apply, you will be on your way to that particular country to study for absolutely free. So that is what a fully funded scholarship entails. You will get money for your flight ticket, your visa will be processed, your tuition fee will be paid for, everything will be given to you, including accommodation. And sometimes you will even be paid. Yes, so you don't only get a fully funded scholarship, you also get paid for studying abroad. Who doesn't want that? Once you're done studying, be it a 1-year course, a 2-year course, a 3-year course, that is just a perfect pathway for you to remain in that country and also become either a resident or citizen of the particular country, depending on the rules and regulations. So if this is something that interests you, if you would like to travel for free, either by a fully funded scholarship, apprenticeship, or any other means, this is the channel for you. So follow this channel, like this video, and subscribe. Also share this video to your friends and family members so that they can also have the opportunity to travel to different countries using the scholarship route. So just dive with me as I show you how. Let's just go into my laptop. So the very first site I am going to be showing you is a site called the Chevening.org. So it is the Chevening, I hope I'm pronouncing it well. It is the Chevening.org. What is important is for you to have this website to come here and apply for your scholarship. Just in case you're still wondering, what kind of scholarship do they give? So let's look at this together. It says, find awards in your country or territory. Use below to find the awards available in your country or territory, beginning by selecting your country of citizenship. You can refine your search depending on if you're applying for a scholarship or a fellowship. So it means that on this very site, you can either apply for a scholarship or a fellowship. Okay, so now that we have realized and we want to apply for a scholarship, the next thing we need to do, like they say, you should put your country and you should select the award. So once you have decided that you want to take the scholarship route, remember the Chevening scholarship helps you to study in the UK for absolutely free. It is a fully funded scholarship. Yes, so you can study in the UK for absolutely free. And the first thing you need to do is come and check if your country is eligible for this particular scholarship. So let's just go in and check if Nigeria is eligible. I'm using Nigeria as an example because I am a Nigerian, and all you need to do is to use your own country as the search and follow what I am doing and do like so. So the first thing I'm going to do here is come here and look for my country. As you can see, I'm looking for my country and I'm looking for Nigeria. As you can see, yay, Nigeria is here. And I'm just going to come here and select scholarship and I'm going to search. Okay, so while I am searching, it says Chevening in Nigeria, study in the UK on a fully funded Chevening scholarship, open for applications until 7 November 2023. So guys, what are you waiting for? 7th November 2023 is by the corner. So this is the moment of truth. This is the time for you to quickly take advantage of this scholarship and apply. Guess what? You can apply for yourself. You can apply by yourself. You can apply for your friends. You can apply for your family members. And it is absolutely free for you to apply by yourself for yourself. So what are you waiting for? And it goes on to tell you that the applications for the 2024-2025 Shivani Scholarship are now open from 12th September to 7th November 2023. And you can take your time and look at the required documents, the timeline, everything you need to know about this particular scholarship. I do not want this video to be too long, because apart from teaching you how to travel for free to the UK with this route, I also want to show you other scholarships that you can also apply for. I believe that as many scholarships as possible, you should apply, because you do not know the particular one that will be granted. So the more, the merrier. So let's just go in and see the other scholarships I have for you and the other countries you can actually travel to for free. Okay, so the next one says Natural Sciences and Engineering Research Council of Canada. So this is for Canada. If you're in the natural sciences or you're an engineer, this is something around your program. This particular scholarship is for you. You can go to the website and they will show you how to apply. So yes, you can apply for yourself, by yourself, and for your friends and family members. And the website is the NSERC. NSERC. Just Google NSERC Canada and you will find something like this. And when you're sure you have found something like what is on my screen, then you are good to go. And it is the www.nsering.gc.ca. I'm gonna say it again, guys. It is www.nsering/crsng that's full stop gc.ca. So the very next scholarship I'm gonna be showing you guys is called the Fulbright Foreign Student Program. So this is another scholarship I am super excited about, because it just gives you everything for absolutely free, and this is for foreign students. Let's look at this. It says the Fulbright Foreign Student Program enables graduate students, young professionals, and artists from abroad to study and conduct research in the United States. So guys, I have taught you guys how to apply for the United Kingdom, that is the UK, Canada, and now we're also looking at the United States of America. So if you want to either travel to the UK, you want to also travel to Canada, or you just want to travel to the United States of America, this is for you. You need to come here and check the eligibility requirements, put in your country, and just apply. And the very next one I'm going to be showing you guys is called Students Union University of Calgary. So guys, can you see this? The Students Union University of Calgary is giving you the opportunity to apply for a scholarship, and it says here, access the many scholarships available to undergraduates. So all you need to do is come here, click on scholarships, and it's going to take you to the page. As you can see, they have all of the scholarships lined up for you to apply. So I'm going to tell you something that's a little bit of trick, so you can actually apply for admissions at the University of Calgary. And when you do that and you have gotten your admission, you can then apply for all of the scholarships, and it reduces the amount of money you will need to spend to school in abroad, and also it increases your chance of getting sponsored to school at the University of Calgary. I hope you guys are following. And the very last one I'm going to be showing you guys, because I told you 5 ways, guys, 5 ways. And the very last one I'm going to be showing you is called the Undergraduate Transfer Scholarship. And this is by the Jack Kent Cook Foundation. It is by the Jack Kent Cook Foundation. So you can come here and just look at all of the different ways you can apply. It tells you why you should apply, who can apply, get help applying on campus. And guys, did you see this? Up to $55,000 per year to attend a 4-year accredited undergraduate school, ability to pursue any area of study. One of the reasons I absolutely love this particular scholarship, because it is not restricted to a particular area of study. It tells you that you can pursue any area of study, so that way you can pursue any particular program that you like. And it says personal advising about selecting a college and navigating the financial aid, multifaceted advising about how to transition to a 4-year college and maximize the student experience, opportunity to apply for internship stipend program, conference and travel stipend, and graduate scholarship. Meaning you're also, when you go for an undergraduate scholarship, when you're done, you still have the opportunity to go for a graduate scholarship. And in this particular scholarship, as you can see, you'll be getting stipends, meaning you will be paid to travel, you will be paid to be an intern, and so on and so forth. Who doesn't want these, guys? What are you waiting for? See, all of this stuff are still available for you to apply. All you need to do is visit these various websites I have talked about, Google them, or search for them. Search for them, guys, on Google, and be on your way to these various countries. So it is the JKC app. I have all of these other amazing scholarships for you guys. Do not forget to subscribe, like this button, share this video, and be on your way to either the UK, America, or Canada with this scholarship.